right, Dad Random here, and I'd like to introduce to you the K688 XLR mic and USB mic. I would say it's more of a USB mic than an XLR mic for all of your YouTube podcasting and whatever casting needs. This thing will replace your current mic and you will not skip a beat. This thing has pause button. It has a gain control. It also basically is well shock mounted. It does a really nice job isolating your voice, and for the newer mics that now have the USB-C system, this thing has a really robust preamp. So no more like sitting really close to the mic. You basically can talk and you can act natural as you basically function in front of your YouTube/podcasting set.
As far as the technical aspect of it, all I can tell you is this. I've just moved from a $300 microphone to about a $60 to $70 microphone. And I just, right away, it just looks nicer and it sounds very good, and or the same as my other mic did when I do my live stream. So you can't go wrong. When you basically get the same performance, you get a nicer looking set, which this really did. I really like what this looks like. I can count on it being right where it needs to be when I'm doing my voiceover. There's nothing else that I can say that could hopefully encourage you to give at least this one a chance as being your primary mic. I'm going to keep using this. I test out mic systems occasionally. I've actually went through several different mics over the time I've been doing this for about 8 years. I've probably used 5 or 6 different mics, and to me, the litmus test is really, the preamp. And this one's got a really good, very predictable preamp. So once again, I can be within, I would say, a good foot of this mic, and with very little adjustment in my gain control. So that's really been very nice. And with the noise cancellation I've put through it through OBS, so I'm broadcasting directly through OBS onto YouTube. So all right. So for Dad Random and FIFINE, FIFINE's been around for a long time. This isn't the first FIFINE product I've used, and it won't be the last, that's for sure. So all right, for Dad Random and Random Technology, give this one a shot. This one's really a mic that you could use without a doubt, without losing what you would feel would be your mojo, because our voices are very important. People like predictability. They like that familiarity that you have with a consistent sound every single week. This is going to do that for you without any loss of quality. All right, Dad Random for FIFINE. Give it a shot, give it a try, and definitely give the BM88 a shot.
So pretty nice. All right, Dad Random, I just switched to the K688 by FIFINE, and I haven't missed one single beat. This thing is doing everything my old mic did, and it just looks really, really sweet. This thing has just a nice, sleek setup, and of course, it just fits in nicely. You will not go wrong trying this mic out. Absolutely, this thing you'll be very happy with, and you will save a ton of dough in the process.